How's it going, everybody? It's me, the Wombat! Yeah! Anyways, I am back once again with... Yep, another food review. You got it. Today, coming out of the Munchpak, first thing out of my new box is wrap snacks. These are Bar-b-quin with my honey from Romeo Miller. Romeo Miller, I did not know who he was because it's not really my type of music that I follow. But I guess this is the dude that used to be Lil Romeo back in like the early 2000s or something like that. With Disney and stuff. I guess he was in the Honey movie. That's why they throw the honey thing in there. But anyways, these are chips with honey and barbecue flavoring. Wrapped snacks. So rather than rap battle, he just gives you something tasty to eat. Anyways, let's get into these, shall we? And it says, my pops taught me, keep your head on straight. That's what you do when you love. So anyways, wrapped snacks coming at you. Let's open them up, see what they taste like. Woo, we're getting kind of into this kind of quick, aren't we? Serving size is the whole container. There's not very much in here. There's only about that much. So, with all that said, let's open her up, shall we? The tag opens up nice and easy. Smells like regular barbecue. Looks like a regular barbecue chip to me. Barbecue chips, I've always noticed, are like this weird orange color. You ever notice that? They always have that same barbecue, like most barbecue sauce I've seen is like a red to reddish brown. But whenever it's on a chip, it's always orange. Orange or reddish orange, but it always has like a really heavy orange base. We got a mustache. I don't know why I do that, just being random. Anyways, let's check this out. That's good. It's a good chip. It starts off, it's a real light barbecue flavor. It's not real heavy because sometimes they do, some barbecue chips will be real smoky, or like a hickory or a mesquite or something, and it's just real heavy on, because there's like barbecue, then there's like smoky barbecue. Most of the chips that I've run into lately seem to have like that more leaning towards the smoky barbecue side. This is more of a more mild barbecue. And then as you get into it, the barbecue taste gets lighter. Doesn't go away entirely, but it goes away quite a bit. And then you get like this wash of a honey flavoring coming up. So when you're finished, it has like a honey finish, I guess you'd call it. That is interesting. That is wow. These are actually pretty good. Because it's like they took chips, put honey in the coating. They like coated them with honey, and then they barbecued them. So as you're eating, the barbecue, as that comes off, there's like the honey underneath. It's like in layers. That's pretty cool. We have another one. Here you go. Try one. See what you think. That's good. You don't get a lot in this bag, but it is one serving, so I think I will save those for later. So that's that. Wrap snacks, Romeo Miller. Good job with those. And good job to you guys. You guys have been following and liking and subscribing and leaving comments on all my videos. I love that. You guys encourage me so much. And again, today is the day of encouragement. But you guys encourage me like all year long. And I thank you so much for doing that. And hopefully I can return the favor by doing what I do. Anyways, till next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.